Hey, find a great location. And guys, today and this morning I want to introduce you one unique gadget. Let me start from saying that I'm a huge coffee fan. The day would be wasted if I hadn't had a cup of coffee in the morning. At the same time, my coffee is divided by espresso coffee and the rest of the coffees. Everyone's love coffee different brewed. That's up to you. I have a coffee machine at office, at home, and that's no problem. But when we are outdoors, somewhere and nowhere, what we need to do? Drink bullshit instead great coffee. So I started Google and I find the unique device. It makes espresso and it doesn't require electricity. So that means that we can make our favorite espresso, our delicious espresso everywhere. But let's talk about everything step by step. Nanopresso from Wacaco. This is a Chinese brand. I want to know that they aren't my sponsor. I just bought this mini coffee machine and want to share my experience about it after a couple of times of usage. So, it comes in a case, everything is high quality. Coffee machine materials, case and packaging, well done. The case contains the coffee machine itself, very small. For cycling, that's it, perfect. It has two covers, both sides. Let's start from the top. And where is the top? You need to pour ground coffee, that's a point number one. You need to keep ground coffee with you. To the top, it includes 8 grams for a cup. Twist off the bottom. Here we have a cleaning brush and a tamper or coffee spoon. That's it. Let's see how to make a coffee. Let's pour the coffee. Tamp as you usually do it at home or in office. Then we need boiling water. That's a point number 2. We need to keep boiling water. Therefore, you need either a thermos if you left the home for a day, or a camping stove if you on the hike. We pour boiling water here, twisting the cap. Carefully twist it back so as not to burn yourself. Done. We need pressure to make espresso, and the pressure is 18 bars. As we don't have any electricity, we will work manually. Press and turn this button. In fact, we have only one here. We direct the nozzle into a cap and we start to pushing. Pushing. Oh, see, flowing. Pushing till the end. That's it, it stopped flowing. Voila! The coffee is ready. We should dismount the device and wash it. That's, by the way, point number 3. You need to wash the device after use. I will do it at home. Also, you can add boiling water to make espresso or milk for whatever it is. Now let's taste it. That's definitely not like you're making in professional coffee machine. You brewed coffee with strong smell. It's simpler, but not absolutely like instant coffee. Yeah, that's great. Great. I like it. super. Of course, coffee in professional coffee machine are much better. But when we are outdoors, when we are not able to cook coffee with electricity, this best choice and the best way. Do I have an alternative? No, I haven't. I don't want to drink instant coffee outdoors or somewhere else. If you like to brew other coffee like Turk coffee, just please carry with you your necessary all stuff what you have. But for me, this coffee is the best alternative coffee with no other options. That's really important. But please don't forget about 3 factors. Point number 1, you must have ground coffee with you. Point number 2, you should have boiled water. And the point number 3, wash this gadget after use. This device costs differently depending from region, approximately about 80 euro. I bought it from Ukrainian importer, but anyway, I'm sure you can Google and find the best optimal solution for you. My conclusion, highly recommended if you are a greedy coffee lover like me. There are no options, there are no choice. I mean by type of coffee. If you like espresso coffee, that's a great solution. This is the best taste for outdoors. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, push the bell for getting notifications about new videos, and support this video with your likes. That's important for me for growing this channel, for preparing content for you. Thanks a lot. See you next video.